The iPhone screen black and white can be disconcerting, but fear not, as we are here to help you understand. Why is my iPhone screen black and white? More importantly, you'll know how to tackle the problem head on. Let's go through each solution right now. Part 2. iPhone is black and white. Fix it with 9 quick solutions. Solution 1. Toggle off color filters. Open the Settings on your iPhone. Go to Accessibility and enable Display and Text Size. Select Color Filters. Toggle the switch next to Color Filters to the off position. Solution 2. Disable Zoom Filters. Open the Settings app on your device. Go to Accessibility and tap on Zoom Filter. On the next screen, select the None option. Solution 3. Check for iPhone battery. If your iPhone's display turned black and white, it might be in low power mode. To fix this, charge your iPhone or turn off low power mode in settings. Battery low power mode, toggle it off. Solution 4. Use accessibility shortcut. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, select Accessibility shortcut. If grayscale is checked, it can be toggled by triple-clicking the button. To prevent accidental activation, check grayscale. Solution 5. Reset all settings on your iPhone. Resetting all settings on your iPhone disables the black and white screen feature without deleting your content. Solution 6. Update iOS. Open Settings, General, Software Update. Tap Download and Install. When the update is available, press Install Now and enter your passcode. Agree to the terms and conditions to initiate the download of the iOS software immediately. Solution 7. Restore iPhone from a backup. How to get color back on iPhone from an iTunes backup. Open iTunes on computer. Connect iPhone via USB. Trust computer if prompted. Click device icon. In Backups, select Restore Backup. How to fix iPhone turned black and white from iCloud backup. Open iPhone Settings General. Tap Reset, erase all content and settings. iPhone restarts. Begin setup. Follow prompts. On Apps and Data screen, pick Restore from iCloud backup. Sign in with Apple ID. Solution 8. Contact Apple. If the issue persists despite attempting these solutions, it could indicate a hardware problem. In such cases, it is advisable to seek further assistance by contacting Apple support or visiting an authorized service center for professional evaluation and repair. Part 3. Fix iPhone screen black and white with no data loss. Best practice: right bracket. No matter if your iPhone is stuck in black and white or you are facing other abnormal occurrences on your phone, you can resolve these problems effectively using iOS system recovery.